What is up, you Teletubby Tubi? I don't know what I just said. What's up, YouTube? We are out front of the thrift store right now, and we're gonna go inside. You guys can see it right over there. And we're gonna go inside, and we're gonna hope that I find some good stuff today. I'm gonna really dig around. It's 4:16, they close at 6, so I got some time. I'm probably gonna be here for a while, I hope. I really wanna dig and try and find some unique things. I'm gonna scan a whole bunch of stuff. I do have a charge finally, so I am good to go, all charged up. We're gonna go make some money. I'm showing you guys inside, let's go. All right, so we got a whole bunch of video games here. Looking them up, got a whole bunch in the cart. We'll see if we find anything really good in here. I think, what, $6? Yeah, they want 4.
Dios lo bendiga. Ok, gracias igual.
Look at that, they even have Xbox One games here. Pretty cool. 2 PS3 games, not really finding too much. Nothing great. Lots of DVDs. We're gonna keep digging through. Hopefully find some home runs. Going through all these CDs, finding a lot of sealed ones. We got a nice little pile going. This is interesting, it's $3. The rank isn't horrible, 202,000, not great. The picture is different though. So I'm gonna have to see if we could find the same picture. There it is, 2 million rank. Oh, there it is actually. Better rank too. Would make about $3. Oh, no FBA. I'll grab that.
Attention shoppers, please do not shop off of any rolling racks of clothing.
25. Oh, 15.
Please allow our employees to
20. Their ties are so expensive here. Charvet, 20. Ties are so expensive. That's insane, man. All the clothing here got insanely priced, as you guys can tell, but my cart is getting full. I mean, take a look at that, guys. An insane amount of stuff. Really good. Just the clothing here is near impossible. Hey, look, it's one of those fake NES classics that you could get off of eBay. They want $35. This thing is totally fake. I think you could buy them for cheaper than this off of Amazon. They don't even have, oh, well, it says Super Mario Bros. 1, 2, 3, Mario 10, Mario 14, Mario 16. No such thing. Hello Kitty is on here. Okay, sure. The Cool Baby. This thing's pretty cool. It's $8 though, holy cow. Still pretty cool though. Still walking around. Prices here are kind of high on some things, kind of low on some things, so still looking. I think maybe we'll take a closer look at the clothing all the way down there. It's a pretty big store. All right, we're gonna take a look at some of the sweaters and coats and vests. Considering it's winter, you never know. You never know if we find something that just stands out. Green and yellow are 50% off, so that helps. If we find any green or yellow, there's yellow, 50% off. Tiger Woods collection vest, $5. Don't know if it's worth anything. Could be wrong for passing it up, but it's okay. Let's see. Woolrich, 50% off, $15. It is wool, it's still way too much money. We're looking for stuff that's a no-brainer. Not finding any no-brainer stuff. This is a guide, never heard of that. Let's see, we have an answering system up here. Sometimes these can be good money. I think, yeah, AT&T. These are usually AT&T. I usually only find the answering machines, not a phone combo. $13. Gonna have to scan that. This is a really cool shirt. There's no brand. It just says made in Hong Kong for $4. It's got like a sailboat, a bunch of Cool flags. It's like a sailing sweater. Then on the back it says USA. This thing's really dope for $4, but it's a shame there's no brand. I don't know if I would pick that up. Smells a little funny, but that could just be all these funny smelling shirts around me. You never know. Some things smell like cigarettes, some things smell like BO. It's just kind of what you have to sort through to find the good stuff. And I'm not really finding much when it comes to clothing here. Here's Vince, very popular brand, $8. Definitely too much money there. Also, I've never had good luck with Vince. I know some people sell it. There is a Levi's, cool like thing, $8, still too much. Come on baby, light my menorah. Ooh, it is Hanukkah right now. Oh, that's pretty cool. Champion, but not for $5. It's not that cool. I'm very cheap when it comes to finding and buying clothing. Because I like, you know, a lot of profits come down because a lot of people start flooding the market on eBay. And I want to make sure I get stuff that will still sell for good. There's Peter Millar, 25 bucks. Oh, sorry. $25 for Peter Millar. That's nuts. Oh, but this is nice. $3.99. Vineyard Vines medium. Vineyard Vines down the sleeve. Big whale on the back. That, oh yeah, that's for me. That's my own shirt now. Looks a little small, but I know I could sell that for some money. More than $4. So if I get 20 out of it, I'm happy. But if it fits me, I'm even more happy. It does look a little short though. All right. What kind of stuff do we see? And that's why you just gotta flip through everything. I would have never known that Vineyard Vines was just sitting in here. I don't even think, well, yeah, no, long sleeve shirts are all in here. So there's a whole bunch of stuff, but there's a polo for $6. See, that's why I hardly do my shopping anywhere besides thrift stores, because, you know, you could find yourself a nice long sleeve shirt, a polo or a Tommy Hilfiger for $5. You can't get that anywhere else, not even TJ Maxx. So might as well. Holy cow. Oh. Very heavy, lots of clothes in here. Who's that? Tuck? That looks fake as can be. All right, Alpine. Oh, Patagonia. Patagonia Capeline. Brand new with tags. 15 bucks though. It's a shame. Too bad it's $15. That's definitely too much. There's a polo for $2. No logo. Man, that Patagonia would have been nice. Brand new with tags. But prices sometimes are just not what we could deal with. And then for some reason, black brown for $60. What is that? All right, it is now pitch black outside. We just finished up in there. I spent $132. So definitely a good amount of money at the thrift store. But we got some great stuff, lots of CDs. And some of them don't have the best ranks, but I figure Christmas is coming. There's no better time to buy stuff, and unless right now, right? Right now is the best time to buy stuff. So we're gonna stick this stuff in the trunk. There's a Goodwill down there I'm gonna head to, and an Ollie's Bargain outlet store, I think. So we're gonna head to both of those. All right, so here's a store I'm gonna try. I've tried to do retail arbitrage here before, and I have zero service in here. Maybe the service has gotten better. Maybe they put up a new tower. It's been a long time, but I see right there on the door it says Toys R Us buyout. So they should have a bunch of toys. Hopefully they have some good deals. I'll film in here nonetheless. We'll see. All right, so they have this whole book section. There's puzzle cubes. Good prices. I don't know where they get all of this from. I guess some from Toys R Us. I don't know. Originally $14. They sell it for $2.99. Yeah, Disney book. Interesting. So it's kind of like a thrift store. Lots of Bibles. But I don't know how my service is in here. Yeah, one little bar, so not very good. We will try our best and see what we can find. We got some graphic novels, some Mad magazines. $6 for a Mad magazine is kind of expensive though. I think that's more than what they actually go for in the store. Yeah, $5.99 in the store. They're asking $5.99. Interesting. Okay, we're gonna look around. I'll let you guys know if I find anything. I was able to connect to Joanne Fabric's Wi-Fi next door, so I have some service in here. I'm scanning as much as I can. I mean, this place is massive. I haven't found anything. I mean, I found a few things where I'll spend 5 to make 3, spend 10 to make 5, or a little bit less. I don't know if I want to do that because I don't know how fast the stuff here tanks in price. So I'm trying to find something with a little more meat on the bone. But I'm actually getting hungry, speaking of meat on the bone. So I'm going to scan around for a little bit longer, see if I can find anything. Oh my gosh, I've actually wanted one of these. Ooh, $70. I might have to grab that. This thing is an awesome speaker. The Job Rocker Max. My buddy has one. I love it.